How to change wallpaper on iPhone, but there is particular settings you need to turn on or you need to use to select a beautiful wallpaper for yourself on your iPhone, and this is right inside the settings option. Tap on settings, then scroll up until you get to wallpaper button here. Tap on it. So once tap on wallpaper, you have a lot of wallpaper here. Then you can keep scrolling until you get to this button that says add new. You can see that I have some wallpaper that I've set here, but go and tap on this new button. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. You have different options here. You can select from the photo shovel, emoji, color, astronomy, and weather. Then you can see a lot of options here that are amazing and you can use from any of these. So just come over to the one you want to use and select, and you later customize, which I will also explain in this video. You can see we have tons of them on this place now. Like this, you need to get it. Tap on this get button and let it download the wallpaper on your device. So just keep scrolling. You have a lot of them here. So let's take a look at the astronomy first and pick any of these and select. Let's tap on this one by tapping on it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. Tap on allow once. Now that is tap on allow once, then you can do some setting here. You can just swipe and use any of these that suit you. You have this button, the date and others. You have add all these here. Then if you are done with what you've seen, you can as well tap on this add button. And if that is not what you want, but you want something better than that, let's see what is under here. Let's tap on this. You can see we have tons of these here. You can see. So once you've been able to get the one that you want, just go ahead and tap on this add button. So let me try and pick one. Tap on this add button. Once tap on the add button, it comes out like this. You can set as wallpaper pair, that is at the home screen and the lock ID, or customize your home screen. So this has to do with you. So once you tap on it, guys, then you get this done on your device. That has been set. So you have to wait a few seconds for this to load up and tap on this button, then tap on done. Let's go back. You can see that the wallpaper has been set on our iPhone. So if you enjoyed this tip, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.